Power generation 3.
Power generation, accessories. What are power generation accessories? These are components and equipment used to support and enhance the generation of electrical power.
What is a generator? A generator is a device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy.
What is an alternator? An alternator is a specific type of generator that produces alternating current AC electricity.
What is a voltage regulator? A voltage regulator controls and maintains a stable output voltage from a generator or alternator.
What is an automatic transfer switch ATS? An ATS automatically switches between different power sources, ensuring a continuous power supply during outages.
What are load banks? Load banks simulate electrical loads to test and maintain the performance of power generation systems.
What is a diesel generator set? A diesel generator set combines a diesel engine with a generator to produce electricity.
What is turbine? A turbine is a device that harnesses the energy of a fluid, e.g., steam, water, or wind, to rotate and drive a generator. What is a power inverter? A power inverter converts DC direct current electricity into AC alternating current for use in various applications. What are surge protectors? Surge protectors safeguard electronic equipment from voltage spikes and surges, preventing damage. What is a control panel in power generation? A control panel is the central unit that monitors and manages the operation of power generation equipment. What are fuel tanks in generators? Fuel tanks store the fuel, e.g., diesel or natural gas, required to run generator sets. What is a circuit breaker? In power generation, circuit breakers protect the electrical circuit by interrupting the flow of electricity during overloads or faults. What is a cooling system? For generators, a cooling system maintains the generator's temperature within safe operating limits by dissipating excess heat. What is an exhaust system? In power generation, an exhaust system directs and filters the emissions produced by power generation engines. What is a governor? In generators, a governor controls the engine's speed to maintain a steady output frequency of electrical power. What are power cables and connectors? Power cables and connectors are used to transmit electricity from generators to various loads and equipment. What is a transfer switch? In power generation, a transfer switch switches the power source between the generator and the utility grid during outages. What is a remote monitoring system for generators? A remote monitoring system allows users to check the status and performance of generators from a distance. What is a silencer? In power generation, a silencer reduces the noise generated by the exhaust of power generation equipment. What is the purpose of a generator's exciter? An exciter is a component that supplies the initial electrical field current to the generator's rotor, which is necessary to induce voltage in the stator windings. What is the role of a transformer? In power generation, transformers are used to step up or step down voltage levels in the electrical distribution System, ensuring efficient transmission and distribution of electricity. What is the function of a circuit breaker in power generation? Circuit breakers protect electrical circuits and equipment by interrupting the flow of electricity in the event of overloads, short circuits, or faults. What is the primary fuel source for combined cycle power plants? Natural gas is commonly used as the primary fuel source for combined cycle power plants, which are known for their high efficiency. What is the purpose of an emergency diesel generator set? Emergency diesel generator sets are designed to provide backup power during electrical grid outages, ensuring critical facilities have a reliable power source. What is the function of a load shedding system in power generation? Load shedding systems prioritize and shed non-essential electrical loads during peak demand to prevent power outages. How do electromagnetic relays contribute to power system protection? Answer: electromagnetic relays detect electrical faults and trigger protective actions, such as disconnecting faulty equipment. How do synchronous condensers enhance power system stability? Synchronous condensers provide reactive power support, improve power factor, and help stabilize the grid voltage. What is the primary function of a wattmeter in electrical systems? A wattmeter measures and displays electrical power consumption in watts. What is the importance of a battery backup system in power generation? Battery backup systems provide reliable power during short-term outages and can help prevent data loss in critical applications. How does a parallel operation of generators work in power generation plants? Parallel operation involves connecting multiple generators to share the electrical load, ensuring redundancy and reliability in case of failures.
Describe power generation. Power generation is the process of converting primary energy sources into electricity. Primary energy sources include fossil fuels, such as coal, oil, and natural gas, renewable energy sources, such as solar, wind, and hydropower, and nuclear energy.
Describe power transmission. Power transmission is the bulk movement of electrical energy from a generating site, such as a power plant, to an electrical substation. The interconnected lines that facilitate this movement form a transmission networks.
Describe the power distribution. Power distribution is the final stage in the delivery of electricity to consumers. Electricity transmission system to individual consumers. Distribution substations connect to the transmission system and lower the transmission voltage to medium voltage.
Describe power utilization. Power utilization is the end use of the electrical energy. It is the application of electricity to perform useful work. Electrical energy can be used for a variety of purposes, including lighting, heating, cooling, industrial process, etc.
To be continued.